This artificial intelligent robot over here has been running my Google ads automatically for me. So I don't need to check up on them. I don't need to constantly cancel and rerun ads. This robot automatically optimizes all my ads and runs them for me. And I've been able to get tons of traffic to my affiliate program that I'm going to show you right now. It's something brand new. With this affiliate program, you can earn up to $1,000 monthly reoccurring commissions on each successful referral. So 10 people can be $10,000 a month. This affiliate program over here is paying $100 per paid customer. This one is $200 for the first time payments of a new customer, 5 to 10% on every single transaction, $80 per referred customer. So this is a database where you can get access to all of these brand new affiliate programs over here that we can literally just plug into this automation robot over here that will run the ads for us and literally collect all the money and the profits off of Google using this automation robot. Now, if you don't watch this video until the end, you might miss some important steps, which means you might not be able to maximize your earnings from this. So it's super important that you follow each and every strategy with me, as I'm going to reveal every single step and secret that I took along the way to make this robot automatically work for me and literally collect all these commissions on these affiliate programs over here. As you'll see, no one is running Google ads on these affiliate programs over here. So you need to watch this video until the end so that you can quickly get onto this trend before other people start doing this as well to make the most money from this. If you're ready for this epic video, make sure to go down below to the bottom of this YouTube channel, leave a like, make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a notification every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Comment down below if you guys would like me to create a free Forex course where I will go through in depth every single terminology of all the candles, all the different bearish and bullish trends, every single terminology in Forex, as well as using my live trading strategy with major swing levels, order blocks, and all the necessary information to become a successful Forex trader. Comment down below if you'd like me to create something like this for the new year. It is something I'm considering, but I'm just considering if it's something I should sell or should just rather give away, as I don't want to really sell any kind of courses with trading because, well, I make money with trading myself and quite a lot. So it is definitely something I will consider for the new year. So comment down below what you think and what you feel. But without further ado, we're going to come over to this first website over here called partnerstack.com. Now, this is a website where mostly businesses, as you can see here, software as a service that have their own programs will come over here to partner up, affiliate, and find different, you could say, partners to benefit their own software. So what they do is they purchase this tool, they book a demo, and they get access through a whole PartnerStack platform where they can get connections to QuickBooks, Monday.com, Evernote, Freshworks, and some of the biggest companies in the world. So this is a tool that is really benefiting a lot of businesses that have software that they want to scale. So here you can see they can scale multiple channels to their software, whether they're looking for more close deals, generating more leads on their software, or bringing traffic to their next campaign. This tool automatically tracks partner links, leads, and deals, embedded customer loyalty programs directly into their product, and they can sell directly through the distributor networks with the PartnerStack API over here. So I mean, this tool is basically just going to blow up new businesses' software. Now, we want to go and sign up to this platform as an affiliate partner. So you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom over here. You can go and click on our partner program. And you'll see over here, if you scroll down a little bit, you've got affiliate partners, referral partners, and solution partners over here. So here for referral partner is you get paid every time you submit a lead to this website. Affiliate partner, you get money every time you make a sale on this website. So I'm a part of this affiliate partner over here. You will see you will earn under affiliate partners 15% commission on all your referrals in the first year with PartnerStack. And I mean, if we go and work that out, if I come over to pricing over here, you are going to get, let's go for example, reseller channels, get pricing. You can actually earn up to $1,000 monthly reoccurring commission on each and every successful referral. So this is a very powerful program. Once you've signed up, you'll just need to enter a couple of information. There's no actual application. What I did was I filled this out and got approved immediately. So even though it says it's an application, you pretty much get approved immediately. When you're ready, you can go and click on log in over here. Once that's done, you're going to land on your dashboard that looks like this. You'll see over here the one affiliate program has already generated me about $980 with the so far. But what you want to do is you want to click on marketplace on the top right over here. Just open it in a new tab and take a look at all the platforms that you can get access to become an affiliate for. So if you let this load for a couple of seconds, you'll see over here that you can go and promote Ubico and earn up to $1,000 monthly recurring commission on each successful referral. So 10 referrals can be $10,000 a month. With Question Pro, you can earn 20% on all total sales. Contracts in $100 per paid customer. Thomas International, 100 euros for each lead that turns into a qualified opportunity, and a further 150 euros if it becomes an actual sale. Let's start off with Ubico over here. If I click on view website, and if I go and search the term Ubico, take a look at this. Let me just quickly go and remove that B. I spelled it wrong. You will see over here, no one is running adverts on this term right now. So it is so easy for you to go and use this automation tool over here to go and rank on the top pages of Google for Ubico with your affiliate link. So all you want to do is you want to come over to Ubico over here. You want to click on join this partner program so you can go and get your affiliate link. You'll see over here, you just need to enter some of your information over here. Click on next, then you can grab your affiliate link. Once you grab that, then what you want to do is you want to come over to this website called writesonic.ai. So this is literally an AI, which is an artificial intelligence that does all your writing and internet needs for you. So you can say goodbye to writing automatically, setting up your Google Ads automatically. This AI will generate you high quality human blogs, posts, landing pages, emails, product descriptions, digital ads in more than literally just 5 seconds. It is super easy and saves you a ton of time and a ton of effort as well. You can go and click on start writing for free over here. Just go and create your account. I'm not an affiliate for this website. I don't earn any commission by talking about it or referring you to it. You can come over straight to the link. And then once you've signed up, you'll be logged onto your dashboard that looks like this. So take a look at this. I just quickly want to show you all the automation bots that you have on this. You have a lot more than just Google Ads. You've got an AI article writer that will write done for you articles at the click of a button. You can literally type in one word and it will bring up a 500-word essay for you. Long writing assistant, you've got the older article writer, automatic Facebook ads robot, so you can go and use this for the strategy as well. You've got a content rephraser, sentence expander. You can import landing pages at the click of a button, get done for you product descriptions for Amazon to sell your products on Amazon, LinkedIn ads, SEO meta tags, Amazon products as well. YouTube ideas, YouTube descriptions, YouTube outlines, YouTube intros, YouTube titles, startup ideas. So I mean, I can scroll down forever and ever. You've got growth ideas done for you, emails as well that can help you generate leads. So this tool is absolutely the bomb. It is absolutely incredible. So we're going to go and click on Google Ads over here, as that was we spoke about in the beginning. For the product or service name, we can just type Ubico. For the product, service, or description, I just came over to Ubico's website. We can go and literally highlight this over here. Right click, copy, paste this over here as your description. For the best search term, you want to go and search, for example, copywriting AI, best copywriting app. We want to go type in partner stack. We can go and type, for example, Ubico, and these are all keywords that we want this tool to go and rank for. So we can go and click on generate Google Ads over here and take a look at this. We're just going to give this a couple of seconds and I'll meet you when this Google ad is done and created for you. So yeah, you can see Ubico email marketing, increase revenue, save time and increase revenue. So it literally writes these ads for you at the click of a button. So we can go and click on this one over here. Let's go and click on edit. You can then go and copy and paste this onto Google Ads. Then all you're going to do is you're going to come over to Google Ads, go and search this on Google, click on get more customers with easy online advertising, just go sign in with your existing account, and you will see all the sorts of ads that I'm busy running with this as well. What you want to go and do is you want to click on, let's go all campaigns at the top over here. You want to click on new campaign, click on new campaign again, and then all you want to do is wait for this to load up. Click on website traffic. You want to go and select continue, click on continue over here. You want to search, click on search results over here. For your website, you want to go and list your affiliate link over here. So just go and paste your Ubico affiliate link that we can paste over here. So this will be affiliate / my username. Then we can go and click on continue over here. We want to click on start your ad over from scratch. For your budget for your campaign, I recommend start off small at $3, $4, $5 a day. Create 1 or 2 or 3 ads, whichever one performs the best. Go and scale on and cancel the others. So let's go and start off with 50 Rand a day. Conversions, we want to go and leave this all as is. More settings over here. You can leave this as is. Click on next. For target location countries, what I suggest is come over to trends.google.com and just go and search email automation on Google Trends to see where this keyword is trending in the world, so that we know where to go and run our ads, because I don't usually like to run my ads worldwide. You can see over here, for example, worldwide we've got St. Helena, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, Ireland, and Bangladesh. So what we can go and do is we can come over to our Google Ads. We can go and type here Ireland. We can go and type here Bangladesh. Let's just go Bangladesh. We can also go and type here United Arab Emirates. So this is UAE, United Arab Emirates. And then one more over here is Singapore. Let's just use Singapore. Singapore country. There we go. So that's basically, you basically want to select the countries where the term email marketing is trending the most, as that is what this tool is all about. Then over here, you want to click on more settings and just make sure all of this is default. Click on next over here. And then for your headlines and your ad description over here, you can basically go and use all of this. So let's go and use, for example, headline. We can go use Ubico email marketing, increasing revenue online. For your description, you can go and use this over here. So let's just go and copy that and go and paste this over here as description number 1, as long as it's less than 90 keywords. For new description, you can go and copy this second sentence over here. Control C, paste this over here. Okay, we need to remove that. So let's just go and copy then this sentence over here and go and paste this over here. Then you want to add another description again and just go and copy, for example, this try for 14 days over here. And that is perfect. There we go. Now your ad is pretty much complete, as you can go and copy and paste this off the Google Ad automation tool. You can click on next and go and run this ad and go and collect tons of traffic with this. And again, just to prove to you that this can go and work, if I go and search Ubico, you will see nobody's running ads on this. If I go and search email marketing over here, let me just spell this correctly. You can see over here there are a couple of people running ads, but I mean there's only really 3 ads running now. That's Business, LinkedIn, Top 10, and none of these are actually, 2 out of the 3 of these have nothing to actually do with email marketing. So I mean you can go and rank easily on the top page over here for email marketing and go and get boatloads of traffic to this. And again, I've shown you how to target in the specific countries where this term over here, email automation, is actually trending. And just to remind you, you can not only go and do this with Google Ads. If I quickly come back here and come back, you can go and try this with Facebook ads as well, and literally go and enter all the occasions over here, promotions, your product, service name, and description, which you can go and get off the website, and you can go and run Facebook ads on this as well and scale to the moon with both Google and Facebook ads. So this is a great way to get a lot of traffic with high converting Facebook and Google ads over here, simply because all of the writing is being done for you. So what I recommend, come over to this tool, give it a try, and let me know how it goes. You can send me a message on Instagram. I'd love to see if you guys get some results from this. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, to help you with paid ads and getting traffic to your affiliate offers. I'm going to leave my entire Google Ads playlist over here, which will teach you solely just about Google Ads. This is my entire Google Ads course for free on YouTube. This is information I've learned from multiple paid courses, well over $1,000 worth of money spent on courses to learn this kind of information. Now you've got it over here for free on my YouTube channel. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.